How to use air quality monitor. Imagine wanting to know the very air you breathe, that invisible soup all around you. An air quality monitor is your trusty tool for this exploration. Let me walk you through how to bring it to life and understand its insights. First things first, placement and preparation are key. Think of your monitor as a silent observer. You'll want to place it in a spot that truly represents the air you are interested in, perhaps in your living room where you spend evenings, your office where you work, or even an outdoor area you frequent. However, just like a careful scientist, you need to avoid anything that could give you a skewed picture. Keep it away from direct pollution sources like the exhaust fan above your stove, the draft from an open window, or even a heating vent. These could give you a sudden spike that isn't representative of the general air quality. For outdoor readings, be mindful of the elements. A sudden downpour or direct blazing sun could interfere with the monitor's delicate sensors. Also, if your monitor is brand new or hasn't been used in a while, give it a little time to wake up and get its bearings. Placing it in a cool, ventilated space for about 30 minutes or so allows it to calibrate and ensure it's giving you the most accurate initial readings. Next up is power and connectivity. Just like any electronic device, your air quality monitor needs a reliable source of energy. Whether it plugs into a wall socket with a USB cable or runs on a rechargeable battery, make sure it's consistently powered. Many modern monitors also boast the convenience of Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows them to talk to your smartphone app or upload data to a cloud platform. So, ensure it's within range of a stable Wi-Fi signal if it has this feature. Some sophisticated monitors might even need specific calibration, especially for detecting tricky pollutants like formaldehyde or volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Check the manual to see if yours requires this step. Now for the exciting part, reading and interpretation. Your monitor will likely display various numbers and perhaps even a color-coded scale. These represent different aspects of the air quality, such as the concentration of fine particulate matter, PM2.5, larger particles, PM10, carbon dioxide, CO2, or those aforementioned VOCs. Often, these raw numbers are translated into an air quality index, AQI, which simplifies things into categories like good, moderate, or unhealthy. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these AQI levels and what they mean for your health. Many monitors come with a companion mobile app or a web dashboard, as IQAir mentions. These can be incredibly helpful for viewing your air quality data in real time, tracking trends over time, and even receiving alerts if the air quality dips below a certain level. Finally, to keep your air quality detective working accurately, a little maintenance and calibration goes a long way. Dust and debris can accumulate on the sensors and interfere with their readings. Gently wiping them with a soft, dry cloth regularly will help maintain their accuracy. As the Morton Grove Public Library points out, some monitors might need periodic calibration to ensure they remain spot on. And keep an eye out for any alerts your monitor might give you, as these could indicate a spike in pollutants that you need to be aware of. So there you have it. By carefully placing and preparing your air quality monitor, ensuring it has power and connectivity, understanding its readings, and performing regular maintenance, you can gain valuable insights into the air you breathe right here in Mankunnam, Kerala, and take steps to protect your health and well-being.